I'm currently struggling with something with my Amazon business, all right? And it's something that a lot of you guys you may not be thinking about this business you may not be thinking about this business the right way. So the truth is that it's an inventory business and it is something that I've been saying for a long time, right? And a lot of you guys put too big of an emphasis on return on investment and not on the average day in an item spent in your inventory. It's way more important. You are running an inventory business, right? And it's way more important for you to actually have products that sell really, really fast than it is to have products that are not necessarily selling fast, but that have a high return on investment. And this is the main thing that I want you guys to understand. And this is a big thing that I'm currently struggling with in my business, because a big part of reducing the average day an item spent in your inventory is actually prepping the stuff and shipping the stuff really, really fast. And this is something that I came to realize this week because I was talking to coaching students and I'm trying to figure out some stuff with my business myself, right? So one of the big things that I'm struggling with is finding a prep center that can actually give me a 48 hours turnaround time, even when you ship a lot of units. Because the truth is, and the main issue with prep centers is that, first of all, the prep center business is not an easy business to be in, right? It's not an easy business to be in at all, not at all. And this is why, prep centers want you to have a minimum number of units. And this is the thing that is paradoxical about prep centers. They want you to have a minimum number of units. They promise 48 hours turnaround time, but they may not always be able to give you 48 hours turnaround time. And so, sometimes I'm thinking, because here's the thing. If you want a prep center with a great service, you need to work with a small prep center. However, working with a small prep center may not allow you to have 48 hours turnaround time all the time, not all the time. And this is the main thing I'm actually struggling with, because sometimes I have units staying for way too long when I'm selling a lot of units. And the truth is that, the way prep center works, prep center send you bills every 2 weeks. The way my prep center works is they send you bills every 2 weeks. They may have some bills where I'm not sending a lot of stuff, and then the 2 next weeks I'm actually sending a ton of stuff, like I'm sending a ton of stuff. And the truth is, since the prep center business is a business that is really, really hard to get right, it's really, really hard for prep centers to actually forecast how many units you're going to send and all that stuff, right? So this is the main thing that is not killing my business right now, but that is slowing down my business. Because prep centers want you to do a minimum number of units a month, but what I'm trying to think is that I absolutely need multiple prep centers so I can split my inventory. The only issue is, if I have products that are $50 a piece and I need to do 100 units at every single prep center, and I have 5 prep centers, it means that I need 500 units, like 100 units to each prep center. $50 is $5,000, it's going to be $25,000 of spend, and I'm going to need to think of how I'm going to split my inventory in between prep centers. It's going to add a layer of complexity into my Amazon business, but I'm starting to feel like this is absolutely what I need when I'm traveling. Because when I'm not traveling, I'm not going to send as much. And this is the truth. This is one big part of the issue as well. Because when I'm not traveling, because right now I'm traveling, right now I'm in Slovakia, I'm in Bratislava or whatever. When I'm not traveling, it may be really, really hard, because I'm not going to send as many units, because I'm going to receive units at my house, at my multiple address in Miami, and ship the stuff myself, either ship the stuff to Amazon or do FBA, right? So the amount of units that I'm going to is going to be way low, right? So this is a big part. This is something that is really, really difficult with the Amazon business, and especially how to organize your prep and how it's going to run. This is the big thing that I'm actually struggling with. So if you guys know a prep center that is a small prep center that can guarantee 48 hours turnaround time, that can be pretty flexible, give you some recommendation, because like, and I know it's not easy because of the thing that I said, because sometimes, and my prep center has really good pricing on some things, not so much on other things, and so I'm thinking of actually getting a second prep center, but I need a prep center that can be flexible, that can take 500 units, let's say 500, 1,000 units this month, and maybe just 100 the next month, or maybe 25 the next month. I don't know now, never 25. I mean, if it's shoes, it could be 25, but like a prep center that can be really flexible regarding quantity, because this is the reason why you work with a prep center also. Like, the reason why is because you need the flexibility, right? So I need a prep center that is able to do this, that can work as a second prep center, right? It's not going to be my main prep center, but I need this prep center to actually be able to give me a 48 hours turnaround time. That's the most important thing. And then I need the flexibility. I need the flexibility to be able to send 200 units, 300 units, or at least that we can stay in touch to know if I can actually send units and if I can get for the 48 hours. This is the most important thing to me, because you need to understand that with this business, if your inventory is sitting somewhere, you are losing money, right? You are absolutely losing money. So this is the main thing that I need to figure out right now with my Amazon business, at least when I'm traveling. Because when I'm not traveling, as I said, when I'm in Miami, I'm prepping the stuff myself, I'm doing FBA, it's going way faster. So I need to figure that out. It's a big thing that I need to figure out. But yeah, this is what I'm struggling with my business right now. I need that 48 hours turnaround time at all time, and I need the flexibility to switch in between FBM to bring heavy FBA when I'm actually traveling, and it could be like months at a time. So this is the main thing that I'm struggling with my Amazon business right now. So hopefully you learn one thing or two with this business. I'm just documenting my journey with this video, and if you can learn something from it, that's great. But yeah, that's where we are right now. Trying to figure that part out. If you have prep center recommendation that can actually do that, please let me know, send me an email, all that stuff. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.